What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Smartdraw platform and its different features. Smartdraw is a great platform that you can use to for diagramming or like creating like flow charts and like designs for whiteboards, mind maps and nav charts and so much more, as I'll show you in a second. So here you want to go to their website, that's smartdraw.com, and you'll land on this page right here. So if you scroll down here, you can find some features. So they showcase how to plan each task here. Development here you can see this is like a mind map or a chart. Brainstorm, you can brainstorm and enter some ideas and connect them and so on. And you can plan a meeting. And if you scroll down, you can find other presentations and other types of charts and designs that you can create with this platform. So let's first take a look at the pricing. So let's click here on pricing. Here you can see that they have three plans: the individual, which is $9.95 a month, and the team, which is $8.25 a month per user per month, and you have the site plan, which is $2,995 billed annually. So here it's a fixed price for your entire organization, and you can compare the specific features of each plan to know which plan is best for you. So let's go ahead and go back to the home page, and you can click in on Launch App or Start Now, and they will both take you to the same page. So let's click on Start Now, and it'll open the wizard or the interface here. And as you can see here, you can choose between many types of charts, like a flow chart, a floor planner for like an event or a wedding and stuff, the Gantt chart, mind map, and so on. And here you have the categories on the left, so you can view like extensions, and you can get other subcategories, and you can view some representations here. So extensions, shape data here for like holes, for like diagramming, for maps. And here you have agile workflow and other specifics such as cause and effect maps and diagrams, charts and gauges. Engineering, here you can view some beautiful charts, some pie charts, some circular charts, some line charts, and so on. And you can also view some specific like healthcare, which is a pretty handy feature if you are like a teacher or a doctor explaining to your patient, or if you are a medical teacher. So here you have anatomy worksheets where you can get the anatomy, the part that you want to explain, and get the like specific names on, and you can fill in the names and add lines and so on. And here you have like cells for cells and tissues, for articulations, digestive system, you can get different systems, and anatomy illustrations like cardiac, cells and tissues, circulatory system, and so much more. And here you have infographics. You have many types of infographics. You have lean, legal, maps and geography, like maps for the continents, for like countries, and so on. Science and education, if you are a teacher, you can get educational diagrams, attendance forms for your students, family trees, lesson planner, pedigree charts, sports, subject anatomy, like here some charts for anatomy, biology, some bacteria and other types of cells and diagrams for biology, math, and so much more. So here you get an idea. We have many types of ready-made templates for all types of work. So let's go to popular, and let's I'll show you here a simple how to create a simple flow chart. You can start with a template here, or you can view examples. So I clicked on one example just to show you how it will look like, and here it is the example. You are not logged in, so they tell you that if you want to avoid losing your work, you have to create an account or sign in. So here you can click on each element here, and then move it to the left and to the right. You can add elements like below it, above it. So I added like another cell below it. You can click here and add like text. I'll click to add text, like test here, okay. And you can add here a shape. You can view the shapes here. You can add another shape here. You can add lines to connect the shapes together. So a straight line, curved line. Let's add a curved line from here, connecting let's add a line from here connecting to here, and connect the line here. Okay, looking good. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's undo it and select this shape to delete it. Let's add a straight line connecting these two elements here. Okay, looking good. And you can delete and edit as you wish, and you can edit also the text in each of the shapes here to connect them and create a chart. So let's go back actually to the selections here, and let's create a new flow chart. Let's close this new tab. Okay, now let's add a shape here. Drag it and drop it here, and you can control the shape features such as like the fill here. You can select the fill color. Let's make it red, and you can select the style. Okay, this looks good. An outline, you can select the effects also, drop shadow. Okay, shadow like this, the line style, and so much more. And for the text, if you double click here, let's add the text. You can select the text, change the font, and change the text size. So let's go 22, and make it bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript, and many other controls. So as you can see here, you have many control over each element. So let's add another shape. Let's make it this shape. And as you can see, the edits that you created here are automatically applied to the new shape. Let's change the fill. Let's fill it with like a purple color. And let's edit the text. Let's enter idea, for example. And let's connect the two. So let's add line. Let's add a straight line connecting these 2 points here. You can connect it to any point on the shape. Okay. And you can also click on the line to edit the fill color. Let's make it black. Okay, sorry. The line here, line style. Okay, sorry. Line thickness, we can make it thicker. We can choose the color for the line. Let's make it black. Okay, here it is. And you can also click and move the element here or the shape as you wish, and the line, it will still be connected by the line here. And here we can rotate it if we want to, and click here to add like more shapes, and here click on the plus icon to add like flow charts. Okay, looking good. So as you can see here, you get the idea, and once you create the chart or the design that you are happy with, you can click here on share. Of course, you need to buy the Smartdraw before you can print, share, or export or save this design. So you'll need to buy it now or click on continue, and once here you click on continue, you'll be able to continue the design. So as I told you, you need to sign up or create an account and sign up to a plan from the ones that I showed you to be able to save your design. So that was like a quick overview of the Smartdraw platform and its different features.